Hey, what is going on, guys? I hope all is well. I want to bring you a walk around of the 2021 Audi Q8. This one is in Daytona gray, the executive package. It has the adaptive cruise control and lane assist. Then it has the S-Line Plus package. So you get all the black trim, the black grille, big 22-inch wheels with the red brake calipers. These are the Audi Sport rims. So this is just a standard Q8, it's not an S or RS Q8. So this has a V6 with 335 horsepower and 369 foot-pound of torque. Love the LED taillights. Then it has the HD matrix design headlights. We'll go ahead and open up the tailgate for you. Power liftgate, of course. The seats fold down, 40-20-40. A lot of room in the back. A little 12-volt outlet there. So you do have some power running to the rear. Then under you just have the sound system and then the spare tire. Go ahead and shut that there. Alright, we'll go ahead and jump inside here, show you some of the interior. Good look at the door here, nice black trim, the metal accents on the lever, and then on the window controls, of course. Trunk lever there. This one has a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system. Take a look at the seats, all standard real leather, heated and ventilated. Power, of course, lumbar controls. That's what you'd expect from an Audi. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn the car on here. Alright, I'll give you a look of the virtual cockpit. So you have the tabs at the top here. So we're in navigation, you have telephone, media, and vehicle. So we're in navigation. You can scroll to the left-hand side of the steering wheel here. Zoom in and out. And then you have the view button here. Change the view, of course, in each of the tabs. So we're in navigation now. Telephone, media, you can change your station. And then vehicle. So you can scroll through different vehicle information, short-term and long-term memory, energy consumption, etc. This is my favorite view though. Have the map there in the middle. It's cool and it's unique to Audi. At least a display this big. Then you have the dual touch response screens here in the center. Go ahead and exit out of that. So your main media screen here, see if I can get it without the glare. There we go. So you have your shortcut tabs here on the left, navigation tab at the bottom. This works just like an iPad or your phone. Just scroll through. Super intuitive. Telephone, media. So if we are connected via Bluetooth, it'd be here. Radio. You have Sirius XM, of course. It's a 90-day trial, but then you can connect it after. And then your main menu here. Swipe through. Again, just some of the shortcut tabs. Here. You can go into navigation, search. You have a keyboard that pops up here. You can also just write with your finger right over top. Obviously I'm doing this with my left hand, so it's hard.
T-A-R-G.
And then let's say we just want to go to Target. So you can start your navigation, target. I'll go ahead and hold off on that for now. Right. Down below is mostly climate. Like that. You can scroll it over and select your temperature, and then fan speed in the middle there. I know the fan speed is going to interrupt the audio, so I'll hold off on that. But auto start, stop off, your downhill assist. You can store favorites here, your garage door programming, and if you want to turn off the top screen here in case it's distracting at night. Ventilated seats, heated seats, 3 different levels, ventilated, 3 different levels, AC to sync all the controls up, AC off, auto recirculation, and then your heated and ventilated seats for the passenger. Drive select button here for your different drive modes, off-road, comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual. Individual, you can go in and tailor a couple of settings yourself. And then automatic will switch for you depending on how you're driving. Off-road will utilize the all-wheel drive most efficiently for off-roading use. And then comfort's like Audi's Eco mode, soften everything up for you. Alright. Traction control off here. Your hazards, max defroster front and rear. Start and stop button here to bring up your cameras. I'll come up on the front display there. You can bring up the 3D camera, for example. All around, see all around the vehicle. That's pretty sweet. And you have your top view on the right. And then these are your driver's assistance controls, just how aggressive you want the driver's assistance to be. Your volume on, off, and then next track, previous track. Shifter here in the middle, just the same yacht style shifter. Push the button in on the side, go all the way down. It always returns to its original position. And then park is just a button here. Your electronic parking brake. Couple cup holders here on the right hand side with the 12-volt outlet. Then we'll move to the center console here. You have your wireless charging mat for your phone, for compatible phones I should say. All the new iPhones will, I know some Androids as well. Nice leather wrapped with the rock gray contrast stitching right here. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting, I know it's super harsh, but at least hopefully give you guys a good look. I'll show you guys the rear seats now. Huge back seat. Guess I should mention this is a 5-seater as opposed to the Q7, which is a 7-seater. I know some people, that confuses some people because it's a bigger number. You would think just as many seats, but in fact this is a 5-seater. But because of that, you get a lot of leg room in the back. Climate control is in the rear for your passengers. It's just a touchpad here, looks similar to the screen up front. And then you have 2 USB-Cs in the back and a 12-volt. Look at the rear door here as well. Has same trim throughout. Storage there in the door. Another Bang & Olufsen speaker. Alright, go ahead and close those up. That should just about do it. Again, I just wanted to bring you guys a quick walk around so you guys could take a look. This thing I thought was pretty sharp in the Daytona gray and then all the black optics. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.